Basics. Speed is distance divided by time. Average speed is total distance divided by total time. Let us now take the question from the first slide. Let the one-way distance be d. Therefore, the total distance covered would be 2d. Time taken while going to his office, d by 40. Time taken while returning, d by 60. Therefore, total time for the trip is the sum of the two. We know that the average speed is total distance divided by total time. Therefore, the average speed turns out to be this much. On simplifying, we get 48 miles per hour. Please notice the average speed is not the average of the two speeds here. The average speed is a bit less than the average of the two speeds. Average speed is not the arithmetic mean of the speeds, rather it is the harmonic mean. This question has two parts. Please pause the video and solve this. The sides of the rectangle are in ratio 1:3. Let's call these D and 3D. Therefore, total distance covered is 8D, 2D across two sides and 6D across the other two sides. The total time taken would be along the shorter sides at the speed of 20 and along the longer sides at the speed of 40. So we can very comfortably solve the second question first. The ratio we are looking for is 2D by 20 ratio 6D by 40. This turns out to be 2:3. And the first question requires overall average speed, which would be total distance divided by total time. Therefore, 8D divided by this total time here. We can simplify, all the d's would get cancelled. On simplifying, this turns out to be 32 kilometers per hour. Please pause the video and solve this. Assume that the destination is d miles away. So at 24 miles per hour, he would take this much time. At 30 miles per hour, he would take this much time. It's given that the difference is 1 hour because at a higher speed, he takes 1 hour less. On solving it for d, we get d as 120 miles. That's the correct answer.